Hi, Mr. McCutchan. My name is Chris. I'm with Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta. And at this time, you have already received this beautiful 1970 Chevelle SS. And this is a real SS. This car comes with the original build sheet that proves that it's a real SS. That's the only way you can tell with a 1970 Chevelle that it is real, is with paperwork, and this car has it. Congratulations on having a 1970 Chevelle SS. That is a huge accomplishment, and this is a beautiful car. We'll start up front here. You do have the classic hood pins here. You got the double headlights with the SS grille. All the chrome is in great condition. You have the beautiful SS stripes here with the cowl hood, the functioning cowl hood. Beautiful red color. Out of all the color options in this car, red is definitely my favorite. Definitely has a ton of eyes. You have the Rally Sport wheels. Just gives you that really classic look. You got the SS badging here. This car was originally a AC 396 L34 package. So it was the 350 horse 396 that came in it, but that one was pulled out in a 454 with more horsepower, was put back in there. All the interior in this car has been redone. Seats are new, dash, all the gauges have been reworked for you, so they all work properly. It is an SS, so you do get the RPM tack in here, but more on that when we come back. As we move down the side of the car, the drip rails, the trim on the drip rails are in good condition. Your door handles are in nice and good condition. All your gaps are good on this car. Tires are in good condition. You have some upgraded speakers here in the back deck lid here. As we move to the back, you got the classic, iconic black bumper here that shows that it's an SS. You've got the SS tips back here. Overall, this car is in really good condition. It's just ready for you to enjoy it and drive it. The previous owner spent a ton of money doing maintenance work and getting everything right on the car. You literally get in this thing, turn the key, and it fires right up. It's just ready for you to enjoy it and drive it. Let's go ahead and work back up front. We'll take a look at the engine here, because that's the best part of this car, right? The big block. I mean, that's what everyone loves about these cars. As you can see under the hood here, it's nice and clean. It's painted black. You do have the 396 air lid here. Everything is really clean. The AC was deleted on the car at some point in time in its history, but that could be easily added back. You've got the power brakes here. You do have disc on the front. You got the drums on the back like it came from the factory. But overall, really good condition. Nice power steering, so it makes it easy for you to steer it. But overall, this thing is just well done. And I will say that this motor has really good power, so be careful when you're matting it to the floor, because you will spin the tires. But overall, that's pretty much it. Kind of looks like it did when it came off the factory line in 1970. But let's go ahead and move to the interior here. All right, we're now sitting in the interior. You do have the classic lap belt here. You've got a modern radio that plays all your old school tunes, but it still looks like the old school, but has been modern to the retro sound. So you got modern radio here. Let's get it on AM, FM. We're in a warehouse, so it might not pick up here.
You can see here it says retro sound comes across. We'll go mode, radio. We might have to edit this. I don't know what a good channel is.
But just to show you, you got sound here on your radio. Gives it a really cool look. But as you look here on the gauges, all the gauges do work. They are lit up, just not very bright. You do have the clock. Clock is working. You also have your temp gauge, and you also have your fuel level here. And then over here you have your voltage gauge as well. Wipers, everything works as it should. You do have the tilt column, which helps you get in and out if you need. You got the classic horseshoe shifter here. These are notorious. Even the light inside the shifter here works. So it's lit up to show you your shift patterns, your first, second, third gear, neutral, reverse, and park. Headliner is in good condition. The seats are comfortable. Door panels are in good shape. Dash pad is very clean. Overall, just a really, really nice car. We'll sit that down, move over here. But yeah, with that being said, you've got you a really nice car, and congratulations once again. I know this is a dream car for me. I know it's got to be a dream car for you, but we just want to congratulate you and let you know that we are happy that we were able to put this in your driveway, and we wish you nothing but the best.